Some Kia models equipped with an NACS charging port will also be provided with an AC, or J1772, adapter, so customers can charge at stations that use that plug type. These adapters work at level 1 and level 2 chargers. Owners of Kia EVs who have not received an NACS adapter can purchase the approved adapter from their local Kia dealership. See your Kia dealer for details. Kia EV owners have 3 adapter options, offering flexibility in how to charge their EVs. This adapter enables Kia EVs with the NACS port to use CCS1 DC fast chargers, like the ones at Electrify America and EVgo. The reverse adapter allows Kia EVs with CCS1 ports to charge using NACS fast chargers, including the Tesla Supercharger network. And this adapter enables Kia EVs with the NACS port to charge on standard level 2 AC chargers with the J1772 nozzle, like those commonly used in home charging stations. All 3 of these adapters were engineered and manufactured by Kia and its affiliate suppliers. This is very important, since the quality and reliability are critical for a component handling 400 to 800 volts at very high amperage. Charging network operators do not allow non-OEM-made charging adapters. Their terms and conditions specifically state this. Use of adapters made by non-OEM suppliers is not recommended.